Hey everyone, so I'm about to assemble the IKEA GLOSTAD sofa. जहाँ हजुरहरूले देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ I'm just unpacking all the parts. First let me tell you that this is not a tutorial. It's just me testing my patience. And you know guys, it's so funny that to make this sofa I watched YouTube tutorial for like twice or thrice and read this manual thing which I got in this package. I read that manual instruction thoroughly, but still I managed to do it. Like I did my best to put it all together in wrong way, which you will see later in the video. Yeah, this is how I am. You know, I'm so intelligent. यसरी गर्ने रहेछ मैले उल्टो गरे देख्नुभयो नि बल्ल I have realized that how much I have tried to put it together in a wrong way. And it takes a lot of patience. The main thing is I just finished a 10-hour shift and came back to my room and still decided to start this. And I kept going until 1 a.m. So yeah. And after all that, here I am again. I also wanted to say one thing. Some of you might be wondering why I'm not adding background music, which I tried at some, but YouTube kept giving me copyright warnings and it's so annoying, you know that. On top of that, I'm too lazy to search for copyright free tracks. Yeah, that's why I'm just uploading my all the mini vlogs like this without any background music, just raw videos. And this is how my room is looking now. I still need to add a few things like curtains and a lamp, but I will show you everything in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.